Hi everyone, I hope you're fine. Today, the message I'm going to tell you, I got a message from one person. He was about 35. He was around 30 to 35, and he said to me, it's been in my comments. You can read that in one of my video. He says that he has been recently rejected, and he was asked whether he was married or not, and he was asked if he had children. So he said the truth about himself and he got rejected for that. So somewhere French Foreign Legion, they are clearly trying to convey some messages that are hidden secrets of the selection, and it is important to know those secrets because if you make mistakes, there are around more than 15 to 20 mistakes, and people say the truth, they are fucked up, you know. There are some chances if they are really good, or if they make few wrong statements, still FFL gives them chance. But in some cases FFL doesn't compromise. If they feel like no, this guy is not for us, although you are the most truthful person, you are the Gandhi, you are the best, but still they're gonna reject you. So there are some sort of things in human recruitment, HR, they have been taught, they know some kind of things which is important for the selection of FFL. Okay, there are so many candidates around the world, and they know that these guys are the most eager guys, and they will be a very good candidates in future, but still they reject. Why? Because there are some things which is really secret. We know around 80 to 90% of secrets of FFL. The reason why they ask you these questions, the reason what they really want, and what you should say, what you must answer, how the way you should respond. If you want to, please read our book. If you want to know about it, please read our ebook, because it is one of the best data as of yet of French Foreign Legion, and it will help you for the recruitment process. We cannot say that 100% you will be selected, but definitely it's like a book. If you're going for an examination, it's important to know the rules and regulations. So this is the reason we insist you to study our ebook, and there's a lot of data and you won't make any mistake. Even if you make 2-3 mistakes, it depends. You can make, because they ask you really tricky questions related to your life, but we have understood the most common questions, what they want to tell, what they really want to know about you, and the reason why they reject you. So please guys, do subscribe this channel, and below is the link. Please contact on my mail ID. I will let you know the whole thing, what exactly you must know before applying to French Foreign Legion. Lots of guys are getting selected as well, and there are lots of rejections as well. So please, I want you guys to be selected. Contact my mail ID. Thank you. Aqua. Bye bye.